Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to study layout priority. So let's start by creating a new file and name it as layout priority playground. Layout priority is a property by which parent layout allocates space to the child views. Views typically have default priority of 0, which causes space to be allocated evenly to all sibling views. Raising view layout priority encourages higher priority view to shrink later when the group is shrunk and stretch sooner when the group is stretched. So let's understand this with the help of an example. We're going to have an h tag in here, and then let's just have a text that says life is too short to wait, start now. And then we are going to have another text in here that says only in the darkness you can see stars. So we have two texts in here inside the h tag, and if we give them a background, maybe a pinkish background with opacity of 0.1, and if we give maybe a green background with opacity of 0.1, yes. So we have these two views inside an h tag, and we can see that both of these views are divided equally. They both are, they want to take this space, but they both are divided equally, and instead of a single line, the text is going to a second line. And this is because both of these texts have the layout priority of 0. But for some reason, if we increase the layout priority for this one, maybe set it to 1. Now you notice this view has a bigger space, or it's just taking all this space it needs to render its view, and this second text view it's shrink. So this is what layout priority does. I think it's just a simple concept. I think you understand it, and if you still have a question, you can leave a comment. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.